Hi, kids. Hey, let's say this is another graphing little example here. Let's say I give you a velocity versus time graph. The last example I give you a position versus time graph. This one we're going to give you a velocity versus time graph. And I say I could ask you all kinds of different things. Let's say maybe I don't know. I ask you, hey, describe the motion of this. So let's do that first. So let's describe the motion. So if I have a v versus t graph, remember, anytime you get a graph, you look at the slope, you look at the area, look at the graph. So let's look at the graph first because that makes sense. This is a velocity versus time graph. Okay, so if I want to describe the motion, I need to think about, well, let's see, motion is talking about how things are moving and stuff like that. So that's velocity. Well, at the beginning, I have a constant positive velocity. It might help, guys, to if I give you a graph like this, just to make up numbers. If I call this 1, 2, 3, well, that means positive 3, positive 3, positive 3, positive 3 meters per second. Well, if my speed is always positive 3 meters per second, that means for this beginning part, you are moving forward at a constant speed. Yay! So forward at a constant speed. All right, second piece. Okay, is right here. That if I was going to do that one, that it is positive. Okay, again, positive velocity. And if you think about, again, it might help to think about numbers as I move along. Positive 3, positive 2, positive 1, 0. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah, I'm slowing down. So in this piece, I am moving forward because of positive velocity, but I'm slowing down because I'm getting closer to 0. Okay, at that dot right there, that instant where I cross the x-axis, well, what am I doing? Well, again, what's my velocity? It is 0, so I'm stopped. So I forward constant speed, forward slowing down, stop for an instant, and then I have this piece. Well, what's going on in this piece? That piece, I am moving backwards. How do you know? Negative velocity. And in this case, I'm getting further from 0, so I'm speeding up backwards. So again, it might help if you want. If I call this negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, it'd be like, hey, I'm going 0, negative 1, negative 2. Oh yeah, I'm speeding up backwards. Hey! So forward constant, forward slowing down, stop for a split second. Well, really for a split instant. And then you speed up backwards. Backwards constant. I'm moving backwards at a constant speed. Now I'm getting closer to 0. I am moving backwards, slowing down. So that would be if you had to just describe the motion. Bye, kids.